The UNINELL Home Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers very strong suction with a quiet brushless motor, so it can pull up embedded debris and pet hair without making much noise. Its removable rechargeable battery offers an impressively long cleaning time, which makes it practical for finishing an entire home in one go without hunting for outlets. The anti-tangle floor head and self-standing body are genuinely convenient, preventing hair clogs while letting you park the vacuum upright whenever you need a break. An illuminated swiveling brush head, plus the included attachments, make it easy to reach under furniture, along edges, and into tight spaces like car interiors or sofa creases. A generous dust container and multi-stage filtration system capture fine particles effectively, reducing how often you need to empty it and helping keep indoor air fresher. The lightweight adjustable design, clear LED control display, and multiple cleaning modes make this stick vacuum comfortable for different users and surfaces, backed by reassuring long-term support from the brand.